Hey Cadman, this is John, West Coast Connects. Recalled a few days ago, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you 3 tips that you guys could do to potentially increase your traffic online. So with that, let me get started. I was looking through your site, and there's a lot of good things that you guys are doing. Obviously, you look at the front. You got a lot of ways to convert. You have your call for a free estimate, click to call. You have your form submit. So you're doing a lot of good things here. And you guys have a ton of pages and content throughout the site. The one thing though, and when I look at the home page and certain pages throughout the site, certain pages in the home page doesn't really have a lot of content. And content's really important for a couple of reasons. The first is so that you can be found for keywords. Then you are being found for 600 of them or so. Some of them are great. Roofing services, you guys are getting a lot of volume from roofing services. Roofing Oahu, you're getting some traffic there in the 5th spot. Honolulu roofers, roofing companies, Oahu. So you are ranking for some very good keywords. But say I wanted to rank for this Honolulu roofers, I wanted to be higher in that keyword. I would save a heading as that particular keyword. I might have that keyword within my content somewhere. I might even save an image as that keyword. So let's say let's just say your logo being saved as, let's see what it's saved as logo, it would be saved as Honolulu Roofers. And having those keywords within your content and throughout your site allows you to rank faster and more efficiently. And the more content you have, the more likely you are to rank because it is a ranking factor. One of the factors within Google's algorithm is content, not only quality but also quantity. And it's why sites like Wikipedia do so well, and certain directories, because they just have a ton of content. So content's very important, and they kind of think in terms of, like, if you have a lot of content, you're giving a lot of information, you're more likely an expert in your field. So content's super important and definitely my first tip. My second tip would just be to continue to build this Google business profile and really put yourself in a position to get more traffic in a variety of different ways. And what I mean by that is when someone searches Honolulu roofers, there's a ton of different ways in which they can convert, right? The local ads, the Google guaranteed, are a great way to, get traffic because people trust these because Google does back it with a certain amount of money. So if they get a service that they're not happy with, Google will actually guarantee it up to a certain extent. And these are really good for you because a lot of times they convert at a pretty high rate. The same thing with the Google ads. Certain amount of people click on the first thing they see. So running an ad is a great way to capture that traffic. And then you guys are ranked number 2 here in the map pack, which is great. These 3 pull up to 40% of the traffic, so I'm sure you're getting a lot of calls from this. You really want to compete with everything. So Ohana Construction, you really want to try to match or beat their star rating. So really focus on getting reviews. Adding photos that are saved as keywords. So if we wanted to rank for Honolulu roofers, you would save a photo and geotag it, in a certain location, and that allows Google to know, one, where you're doing jobs, and two, kind of what keywords that you're looking to rank for. So that's important. Making sure this information is pretty consistent throughout the web, although that goes a long way in helping you boost up those rankings. So although reviews aren't a really a huge factor in ranking, it does come to play. And you really want to beat your competition in every facet. So adding reviews will definitely help. 5-star reviews will definitely help in pushing you up those rankings. And obviously organically you want to rank too. If you're ranking organically, you're in the map pack, you're running ads, and you're ranking and you're in the local ads, you're going to maximize the amount of traffic you're getting for any keyword. last but not least, just continue to do what you're doing in terms of building up the strength of your site. And you guys are doing a fantastic job here. Your site's pretty strong. You have 144 referring domains, 96 are do follow links. Your site is strong. It's almost got that 1-to-1 ratio you look for. And you are ranking on a lot of keywords. The only thing is, for how strong your site is, you're not really getting a ton of traffic, and I think a big portion of that goes back to those, those tips that we laid out before. You are getting a lot of calls. Not saying you're not. I'm just saying in terms of the amount of traffic, um, that based on the keywords, I feel like you could potentially be doing more. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's been informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, concerns. My contact information is in the email. I also have a link to our Google Calendar. Myself or my business partner Jackie would love to get in touch with you at whatever time you fill out in the calendar. So with that, have a great day and God bless.